Welcome back to Sean's Coronavirus Journey Moonshine Mampoer edition. And that's how far my American Southern accent stretches. So the pineapple beer that I made in my previous episode, I'll be using as the basis for my Moonshine or Mampoer. I'd just like to give a massive shout out to my friend Kevin Waterson for the amazing info, tips and tricks. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. So if you haven't watched my pineapple beer episode, go check it out before you attempt the Moonshine. There's good reason why you should get excited about this episode, because you don't need any fancy equipment. The process is called freeze distillation, and it's so easy to do. So what is freeze distillation? Freeze distillation is when you take your pineapple beer or your apple cider and you stick it in the freezer overnight. Next day, you drain out the liquid that didn't freeze because it has a high alcohol percentage. Moonshine or Mampoer has a very high alcohol percentage, so I'm asking you nicely, please exercise some caution and in Afrikaans, matigheid voor oë. Very important safety tip. This has been in the fridge for 4 days. It's gone through its secondary fermentation process. Every day I open the cap to release some CO2. You don't want to take a fresh batch of pineapple beer and stick it in the freezer. Otherwise, as you can see, it's frozen solid. So the next step is to open the bottle and turn it upside down. As you can see, the ice is busy melting and there's some liquid coming out. That liquid has a very high ABV, alcohol by volume percentage. I've got 6 liters of pineapple beer, which I'll be reducing to 1 liter of Mampoer or Moonshine. You can see the liquid that's being drained is the liquid with the high alcohol percentage. See, the alcohol liquid has drained and now you're left with this icy situation that I'll be throwing away. Okay, so this is that concentrated alcohol liquid which I'll be emptying out into a jug. So I'll be pouring this mixture into 3 smaller containers. So, as you can see, 6 liters of pineapple beer have been reduced to 2 liters of pineapple beer. I'll be sticking this back in the freezer and repeating the process. So it's been in the freezer for a second time and I'll be repeating the process by draining off the alcohol. As you can see, the alcohol has drained off, so let's see what we're left with. So that looks like about 750 milliliters. So from 6 liters of pineapple beer, it's been reduced to 750 milliliters of Mampoer or Moonshine. Your safety is my number 1 concern. If you repeat this process more than 3 times, you're left with a very high alcohol percentage. And if you're not looking to make hand sanitizer or fuel for the DeLorean, I wouldn't attempt it. So guys, please be safe. Guys, I've tasted it and it's strong. It's probably got an alcohol content of at least 50%. I could do another cycle, but I wouldn't recommend it. Rather just stay safe. And there you have it guys, freeze distillation. Please remember to like, subscribe and stay safe. Billy rock, heel Billy roll.